Hey there. Welcome to Photoshop Background Removed from the Computer Institute. Today I am going to teach how to remove background from image using Adobe Photoshop CS5. The technique also works on any versions from Adobe Photoshop 7. If you carefully watch this video tutorials, you might see how easy to remove background from image. Now let's get started by opening Adobe Photoshop CS5. Then go to File menu, and choose Open to open any image. If the image and the background is in different color, like the image I am going to open, it's easy to remove the background using Magic Wand tool. I select Magic Wand tool and click on the background subject where I want to remove until everything is selected. I open the layer and double-click on the layer thumbnail to convert back-rolling layer into normal layer. Then I hit Delete key on my keyboard to remove background subject I want to remove. To deselect, go to Select and click Deselect. Alternatively, press Ctrl-Shift-D. Create a new layer and drag the image layer below it. Now you can give your own background color using solid color picker or gradient. In order to use your picker foreground color, press Alt-Delete. Select the image layer and continue selecting the background subjects which were not removed by Magic Wand tool. And press Delete. Or you can select just the image by holding Ctrl key and click on the image thumbnail. Then from Select menu, then you can modify your selection to remove unnecessary edges on the image by contracting, expanding, giving less feather, and many more. Now I am going to open another image which has a more complex background. For removing complex background, Magic Wand tool may not be good, however, Photoshop gives a lot of tools for removing background. The easiest technique for complex background selection is Quick Mask mode. This image has a complex background because it has many different colors. So if I select it using Magic Wand tool, there will be a lot of marching ants. This marching ant selection is irregular and scattered. So Magic Wand tool is not good for selecting complex stuff. So I will use Quick Mask mode. Press Q to select Quick Mask mode and select your normal brush tool. Open layer and double-click image thumbnail. Create a new layer and drag it below the image layer. Fill the new layer with your foreground color by pressing Alt key and Delete key together. Select the image layer and using your normal brush, paint on the background which you want to remove. Press Ctrl key and plus key together for zooming out your workspace. Press spacebar for moving your view. Now it is time to press Q to go out of Quick Mask mode. Now we have selected just the image. In order to delete the background, let's inverse our selection by going to Select menu and choosing Inverse, or alternatively press Ctrl-Shift-I. and tool. Now I will show you one more technique for removing complex background. The tool I am gonna use is just the normal pen tool. Let's get started by opening another image. I select my pen tool and click on the edge of the image and drag the pen tool where I want to make it curve. The small circle here indicates that this is where we begin our drawing. Click it. Now continue drawing where the background needs separate selection. Once you finish, open up your path palette. You can find the path palette under your window menu. Click on Path to Selection button to convert your path to selection. Inverse your selection and hit Delete key on your keyboard. Now we have come to the end of our tutorial. Computer Institute has offered various courses on computer softwares and programming such as MS Office, Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Adobe PageMaker, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Windows, hardware, and networking, video editing, and web development and programming such as PHP 5, MySQL 5, HTML5, jQuery, Apache Server, Domain, and Cloud hosting, open source softwares. If you want to learn computer, come to Computer Institute here at Lower Zarkawt, Aizawl. Thanks for watching.